Are you unknowingly sabotage your pre-sales success? Success in pre-sales isn't just about what you do right. It's about avoiding what could slow you down. Let's break it down, the habits that might be holding you back and how you fix them. Habit number 1, talking more than listening. Pre-sales is about uncovering client needs, not just showcasing features. If you talk too much, you might miss crucial insights. How to fix it? Follow the 80-20 rule. Listen 80% of the time, speak 20%. Ask open-ended questions to encourage deeper conversations. Then summarize their key points to confirm understanding before the responding. The bad habit number 2, skipping discovery and rushing to the demos. Without proper discovery, you risk delivering a generic demo that doesn't resonate. How to fix it? Qualify early and hard. Make sure the solution fits before demoing. Use a structured discovery framework like the Functional Technical Discovery, the FTD. Summarize what you know in the Opportunity Scoping document, the OSD. Validate the client's pain points before crafting really your pitch. Then, bad habit number 3, overloading demos with features. It really hurts. Too many features overwhelm the client and really dilute your message. How to fix it? It's the storytelling. Make your demo about solving their specific problems. Focus on the top 3 things the client is interested. Focus only on the features that really matter to the client. And keep the demo interactive. Let clients guide the conversation. Bad habit number 4, weak follow-up after a demo. Why it hurts? Because ghosting a client can kill really the momentum and open the door for competitors. There are, you know, maybe the term golden hours in emergencies, which are the same for pre-sales. So how you can fix that? Follow up within the golden hours, 24 to 48 hours after the demo. Message the client to ensure you always add value to the conversation. Send a short recap email with the key takeaways and the next steps. Stay engaged by sharing relevant insights or content. Then, bad habit number 5, misalignment with your sales team. Why it hurts? Because it's mixed messages and really confuses the client and disrupt the deals. How to fix it? Hold regular syncs with sales to align on the strategy. Make dry runs before the live session. Share demo feedback to refine features and pitches. And collaborate on the outreach to ensure really consistency. Then bad habit number 6, chasing every opportunity without qualification. Wasting time on poor fit leads means really less time for the real opportunities. Qualify as hard as possible. Avoid the effect of the sunken costs. How you can fix that? Use a clear qualification criteria, budget, urgency, and fit. You can also use the functional qualification framework, the FTQ, which I will explain in more detail in the mastery course. Be comfortable saying no if the deal isn't the right. Focus on high-value clients with a real chance of success. Bad habit number 7, avoiding objections and tough conversation. If you avoid objections, you are missing a chance to prove value. Welcome objections because they are a great learning of things you are missing. So how to fix it? Objection handling is part of the job. Welcome the tough questions. Learn how to handle the objections then. I personally love Marshall B. Rosenberg's book about nonviolent communication. Great learnings inside there. Be honest about limitations, but really focus on the risk mitigation. Use objections as an opportunity for consultative discussions. And then, last but not least, bad habit number 8. avoiding continuous learning. Why it hurts? If you don't stay updated, you fall behind in product knowledge and industry trends. How you fix it? Keep up with industry trends, competitors, and client challenges. Invest in training, certifications, and best practices. I always say to my team that at least 30% of their time is for learning. The other 70% for sure is to win deals. And it works out. Learn from every deal, whether it's a won or a lost deal. Discuss it with sales, but also within your team. Get the learnings out of that. Being a great pre-sales professional isn't just about the technical expertise. It's about understanding the people, refining the communication, and continuously improving your approach. Which of these habits have you seen in action? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.